Hey guys, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. I hope you all are doing good. So today in this tutorial we are going to discuss about Republic Day. Yes, the Republic Day which we celebrate every year on 26th January. This year also we are going to celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. So let's have a look that why we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January, what is the importance, significance of Republic Day, and about some interesting facts also we will learn in this tutorial. So let's learn about Republic Day. So as you all know that this year we are going to celebrate 73rd Republic Day. On 26th January 2020, we are going to celebrate 73rd Republic Day and it will fall on Wednesday. On this day, President of India addresses the nation. It also shows the huge image of the country's rich cultural heritage and military powerness. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India was implemented in the country. That is why we celebrate 26 January as Republic Day every year. So why we celebrate Republic Day every year on 26 January? Because on 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India was implemented in the country. That's why. Every Indian feels pride while seeing the national flag unfurling on Republic Day. Do you know every year around 12 lakh people come to watch the parade of 26 January? But like last year, this year also on Republic Day parade, India will not have a chief guest due to global situation arising out of COVID-19 pandemic. Approximately 5,000 to 8,000 people will be allowed to attend the Republic Day parade on 26 January 2022. Now, let's learn about some interesting facts about the parade of 26 January. As we all know, every year the organization of the parade on 26 January is done at Rajpath, situated in New Delhi. But do you know that Rajpath was not the organizing center for the parade from 1950 to 1954? During these years, the 26 January parade was held at Irvine Stadium, now also known as National Stadium, Kingsway, Red Fort and Ramlila Maidan respectively. Rajpath became the permanent venue for the parade of 26 January since 1955 AD. Rajpath was known by the name Kingsway at that time. Every year, the Prime Minister, President or the ruler of any nation is invited as a guest for the 26 January parade. The first parade was held on 26 January 1950. The President of Indonesia, Dr. Sukarno, was invited as a guest that time. However, in 1955, when the first parade was held at Rajpath, the Governor General of Pakistan, Malik Ghulam Muhammad, was invited. But this year, in 2022, no chief guest is invited because of the pandemic of COVID-19. Now let's have a look on the significance of Republic Day. Republic Day commemorates the spirit of independent and individual India. It was on this day in 1930 when the Indian National Congress proclaimed Purna Swaraj, the declaration of India's independence from colonial rule. The day also commemorates the Indian citizens' power to choose their government democratically. The nation celebrates this day as the national holiday for the establishment of Constitution. Our Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on Sunday, that is on January 23rd evening, unveiled a grand digital statue of freedom fighter and leader of Indian National Army, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, to mark his 125th birth anniversary. The hologram statue has been installed at India Gate canopy, which once housed the statue of King George V, the imperial icon of country that Netaji fought all his life. But this is for the first time that India is beginning its Republic Day celebration from January 23rd instead of January 24th to include the birth anniversary of late freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and this Republic Day celebration will end on January 30th, the day Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. भारत का गणतंत्र दिवस हर साल 26 जनवरी को मनाया जाता है। इस दिन देश भर में सरकार अवकाश घोषित होती है। कई लोगों के मन में इससे जुड़ी कई सवाल आते होंगे, जैसे गणतंत्र दिवस क्यों और क्या है, क्यों मनाया जाता है, गणतंत्र दिवस को कैसे मनाया जाता है। सो चलिए हम जानते हैं गणतंत्र दिवस के बारे में। भारत की संविधान सभा में 26 जनवरी 1949 को भारत के संविधान को स्वीकार किया था, जबकि 26 जनवरी 1950 को भारत का संविधान पूरे देश में लागू हुआ था। इस उपलक्ष्य में हर साल गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया जाता है। 26 जनवरी का दिन इसलिए चुना गया है क्योंकि 26 जनवरी 1929 को अंग्रेजों की गुलामी के विरुद्ध कांग्रेस ने पूर्ण स्वराज का प्रस्ताव पास किया था। गणतंत्र दिवस और स्वतंत्रता दिवस में क्या अंतर है? मीन्स व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंडिपेंडेंस डे एंड रिपब्लिक डे? गणतंत्र दिवस इसलिए मनाया जाता है क्योंकि इस दिन भारत गणतंत्र देश बना था। गणतंत्र दिवस के दिन भारत का संविधान लागू हुआ था, जबकि स्वतंत्रता दिवस के दिन भारत को अंग्रेजी की लंबी गुलामी से आज़ाद मिली थी। इसलिए हर साल 15 अगस्त को स्वतंत्रता दिवस और 26 जनवरी को गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया जाता है। इस साल हम कौन सा गणतंत्र दिवस मनाने जा रहे हैं? This year we are going to celebrate 73rd Republic Day, right? इस गणतंत्र दिवस के दिन हर जगह हमें छुट्टी मिलती है। इट्स अ नेशनल हॉलीडे एवरीवेयर। गणतंत्र दिवस के दिन बहुत सारे पुरस्कार भी दिए जाते हैं, जैसे वीर चक्र, महावीर चक्र, परमवीर चक्र, कीर्ति चक्र और अशोक चक्र जैसे तमाम अवार्ड दिए जाते हैं गणतंत्र दिवस के दिन। The firing of the gun salute coincides with the playing of the national anthem, which is an unusual feature. The first shot is fired at the opening of the national anthem, and the last shot is fired 52 seconds later. These cannons were built in 1941 and are used in all of the Army's formal program. In the Republic Day parade on 26 January 2022, 12 states and union territories and 9 ministers and departments have been selected to showcase their tableaux. These include Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Karnataka, Meghalaya, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. The most fascinating part of the event is flypast. Responsibility for flypast lies on the Western Air Force Command, which involves the participation of around 41 aircrafts. The aircrafts involved in the parade take off from different centers of the Air Force and reach the Rajpath at a fixed time. The song Abide Me is played at every Republic Day parade event as it was a favorite song of Mahatma Gandhi, but this year it has been removed by the central government. So this was all about Republic Day, its significance, history, why do we celebrate Republic Day every year on 26 January. A brief information I have given you all from this video. So you should remember that in the year 2022 we are celebrating 73rd Republic Day. And who holds the national flag of Republic Day? The President of our country. This time Ram Nath Kovind, the president of our country, he will host the national flag at Rajpath. On this day, the country's president, means that this time Ram Nath Kovind will host the national flag in New Delhi, Rajpath. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then please click on the like button, share with your friends, and if you're new to my channel, then do subscribe to it. And from your part also, I want some suggestion that what type of content I should bring for you all, so that it will be helpful for you during the exam. So if you're watching this video, then please comment in the comment section that what type of content you want for your examination point of view, so that it will be helpful for you during the exams also. So thank you for watching Science Learning Gateway. If you like it, then please click on the like button, share with your friends, and do subscribe to it. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I will be uploading a new video, you will get the notification for that. Thank you.